Hi everyone, so this isn't one of my normal tutorial videos. This is to let you know about an amazing supplier that I use for my Felties. So I've just got home and I've got this parcel, opened it up, and it is from Emma Jo Felties. Let's have a look what she sent me. Look guys, OMG, how amazing are these? So if you're in my group, you know that I have just got some materials from Mama's Bow Fabrics to make the Woody and Jessie inspired by bows. I've also got in the pipeline a Dumbo and a Buzz inspired by bow. So I let Emma Jo know about this and she has sent me this amazing parcel. Now this is for this is me Greatest Showman inspired bows. I've ordered some of those because I've got some orders, but these are the best Felties I have ever seen. They are double-sided, so they're like double thickness. They're really, really nice and sturdy, really good quality, and look how neat the cutting out is. They're amazing. So I've got one of these for a Mary Poppins bow. That is amazing. Love that one. But then look at this, guys. How cute is that? That is going to look fantastic on the bow I've got in mind. And also, over on the website, I'll put a link in the description. She does a set with Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head and Andy and Buzz's footprints. Woody, sorry, not Andy. Woody and Buzz's footprints in the set with, you can buy them set as separates or a full set. Now I did actually say, do you have a sheriff's badge or a cowgirl hat so I can put them on? And look what she sent. Oh my goodness. They are absolutely perfect. I love them so, so much. So I'm going to put the link to this shop. They do ship worldwide, which you ladies will absolutely love. I'm going to put a link in the description, also in my group. So it's just a quick video to show you how amazing these are. They're so neat, absolutely fantastic, and really quick shipping. So like I say, I'm going to put the link in the description box and in the group. But I just had to show you they are fantastic. See you later, guys. Bye.